Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your Google Gemini account. So first, open the Gemini app on your phone or visit Gemini through your web browser. Now look for your Google profile picture in the top corner and then tap it. You'll see the Google account currently being used with Gemini, and if you're using the Gemini app, you may need to manage the Google account through your device setting rather than using the simple logout button. On iPhone, you can manage the Google account through the Google or Gemini app settings depending on your current version. Remember, signing out on one device doesn't necessarily sign you out of everywhere. So if you're concerned about account security, then open your Google account and review your active devices and recent security activity. So that was how to sign out of Gemini and manage the Google account connected to it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.